Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Craigslist. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get started with Craigslist. And so I'm going to be going through this short, sweet, and to the point tutorial, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first what we're going to do is that we're going to click on Craigslist and have it installed. Next, you're going to click on Get Started. And then from here, you're going to need to allow location permissions for Craigslist. So click on share location, and then I normally set it to, right now this is blurred out, but I normally set it to allow while using app. Now once you've done this, you're just going to go ahead and enter your zip code on the upper hand side. And then once you've entered your zip code, you're just going to click on choose this location. Now you have Craigslist opened up for you, and it's really easy as far as it's sorted through categories. And then you have a My Searches tab, which is basically a history of different searches that you've made on Craigslist. On the bottom hand side, you have a favorites tab, which you can also favorite postings such as, let's say, job postings or car rental postings, or even apartment postings as well. You could also post yourself on Craigslist as well if you click on the middle icon on the bottom hand side. So what this is going to do is that you actually are going to need to log in or sign up in order to post on Craigslist. So in order to do that, you're just going to enter your email here first. And right now this is blurred out, but you're just going to click on continue. And then with this information blurred out, you're going to click on send me a link. So once the link is sent to you, your email, you're just going to go ahead and confirm your email. And all it takes is for you to click on the on-screen prompts to basically verify your account. So I've gone ahead and done that. Now, one thing to keep note is that this email verification that you click on, you do have to click on it on your phone or mobile device. You cannot be clicking on it on your laptop. So I'll be hopping onto my email. And so this is what the confirmation email looks like. You're just going to click on complete account sign up. Now, once you've done that, you can either set your password or you can skip the password. I'm going to skip the password. And then this is just the terms of use. You're just going to click on I accept. And then now you've gone ahead and created your Craigslist account. Now when we click on the post button on the bottom hand side, you'll be able to actually go ahead and create a posting. So if we click on create posting, you can see that you can include up to 24 images, but we're just going to skip this for now. Here you could actually choose the location of your posting as well, and then click on continue. And then here's where you're going to choose the type of job posting that this is. So this can be a job, resume, housing, sale, wanted, or even some sort of item. So just click on continue. So we're just going to say it's a job offered. And then here you need to actually go ahead and select the type of job. So we're just going to do accounting and financing. Click on continue. And then this is where you're going to be entering your posting title and description, the type of employment. So depending on what type of post you actually input here, these settings are going to look different for you. And so with that, you just want to go ahead and choose the appropriate ones that match what you're posting on Craigslist. Now I want to revert back over to the accounts tab here. On this tab here, you can manage your postings. You could actually go ahead and manage your settings. So this is where you can enter your payment options, your password options, change your account email, change app permissions, set the different looks for Craigslist, and also change your default location. Now, on the bottom right hand side, you have a feedback tab as well, where you're simply just submitting feedback to Craigslist. But that is essentially how to get started with Craigslist, guys. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.